Hi everyone, it's me Gauri. Today I'm sharing a easy loaded chicken fries recipe. For this you need half cup of curd, and into that you need to add in half cup of milk, and then add in 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 3/4 teaspoon of pepper powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, zira powder, and 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. And here I've taken 8 cloves of garlic. Since it is small, I've taken 8. And you need to grate it using a grater. Take the smallest one which is available with you, the grater. And you need to add in 2 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, which is less spicy and more on color. So if you're having the spicy one, add less amount. And squeeze in half a lemon, and you need to add in half teaspoon of soy sauce. This was the dark one. If you're having light one, a lighter one compared to this, add more. And 1/4 teaspoon of coriander powder and kasuri methi. So there's no particular amount or the measurement. Just add in, just rubbing your hands, and add in salt as per your taste. And you need to whisk it well. Make sure that everything combines really well, and add in some extra pepper powder if you feel the spicy level is low or according to your spice level. And here I've taken 250 grams of boneless chicken. Since I've cut into pieces, I'm directly using it. Even if you have it of big piece, it's fine. You can cut it after frying it. And now you need to marinate for 3 hours or more, or minimum half an hour in your refrigerator. And here I've taken 7 tablespoons of all-purpose flour or maida. And you need to add in 1/4 teaspoon of oregano or any mixed herbs or even pepper powder. And add in salt as per your taste. And just give it all a good mix and keep it aside. And for frying the chicken, here I've taken the maida mix which we made, and the chicken marinated one from the refrigerator, and some plain water, and a plate. So I've taken some frozen French fries. You may even make French fries at home. You need to fry it. And now take one chicken piece and you need to coat it with the maida, the mixture, and keep it aside on the plate. So you need to do everything. You need to coat all the chicken pieces the same way. We are going to do double coating. So you don't need to do so much of coating, but the generous amount of coating. And just mix and transfer it onto your plate. And make sure not add a lot of chicken pieces at one time. Add little by little. It would be much easier to do. And now I have coated all the chicken the same way. And now is the second coating, which you have to dip this into plain water, take it immediately, and again coat it with the maida mixture. So same way, repeat it. And you can see the maida is less in this, so I'm adding some more flour into it. So you can add in the beginning itself some extra flour, and each chicken piece should be like separately you should get it. So that is the amount of maida you should add extra if you're adding at the end like me. And this is done. And I'm frying some French fries in the same oil. I'm going to fry some chicken also. So this chicken is very crispy and super tasty. You may have it as such. As we are making chicken loaded fries, I am using some sauce and French fries and such things, but this chicken is really crispy. Now remove it to a strainer for the excess oil to go down, or you can transfer it to a tissue paper or a kitchen towel. And for making white sauce, you need 2 tablespoons of butter, and just melt it, and add in 1.5 tablespoon of maida, and just mix it till the raw smell goes. And mine got burnt a little bit, so make sure it doesn't happen with you. And add in 1 1/4 cup of milk. So you may reduce or increase the amount of sauce as per your taste. And I'm gonna add some masalas. So I'm only adding chili powder, but you may add more or anything. Only chili powder also would be fine. You may add some herbs or anything of your choice. So here I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder for a good color and little bit of spice, and add in salt as per your taste. So it is almost getting to boil. So before that, add in half cup of mozzarella cheese or any cheese which is available with you. Adding cheese is going to make it like already the white sauce is very creamy, and adding cheese the white sauce will turn much more creamier. And switch off the flame. Do not make it over thick. And so this is done. Now everything is ready for making the loaded chicken fries, the fried chicken, the french fries, and this is the same white sauce mixed with some mayo and very little tomato ketchup, and I've transferred it into a piping bag. Now here I've taken a cake tin, so you may use any tray or tin or anything which is available with you just for setting it. Add some sauce, add the french fries as base layer, and add chicken, sauce, and again chicken and sauce. That's it. It's very simple once you have the items ready for the loaded chicken fries. And now you may serve it. Make sure you do all these very fastly, as it should be hot while you eat. Anyway, the as you're transferring into a piping bag the sauce, it may cool down, but the chicken is hot and the french fries is also hot, so it will equally taste good. I hope you like this recipe. If so, please do give it a big thumbs up and share and subscribe to my channel for more such wonderful recipes. Thank you.